Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you what I killed in my kit. We'll talk about why I think I didn't kill something and then what my plans are for the leftovers. So let us get started with the things that I knew I wasn't going to consume. So I knew that my inks were still going to be here at the end of the month. Was not trying to dry them out or anything like that. I knew that they were going to be here. I knew that I wasn't going to get through all of the embellishment mousse. I wasn't trying to. That's a lot of product, and there was no way. I did want to get through one glitter glaze, and I did. I have an empty glitter glaze, and then I still have this one, which has a decent amount still in it, but that's okay. This one still has a decent amount in it as well. Maybe a little bit less than half a jar. So again, these are products that I was not expecting to use. The mists as well, was not expecting to get through an entire bottle of either of those at all. Did use a good amount though. Looks like I completely missed that. That was at the bottom and I didn't even see it. Washi tape, did not use this roll. Used a good amount of it though. Let's pull out the stuff. There's some stuff in here I didn't even realize was still in there. See, this is what happens. My blending brush didn't knew we weren't going to do that. Used up this washi tape. This is just what is connected to a roll of the tape, so that's exciting. Used up one roll of washi tape. I have these two little bits. This pink perfect. I don't even know why these two bits are in here. Normally I would have thrown those away. This washi tape, use a little bit of that as well. Again, wasn't really expecting to use it all. I only used about a quarter of these stickers on the first side of it. Didn't even realize it had a second side. If I would have realized that, I probably would have used these little guys. But these are kind of like affirmation stickers. I am brave, self-care is not selfish kind of thing. And I really wasn't scrapbooking anything with that, so didn't have that. Have create, hope, and wish. Some words that didn't get used. These guys did not get used. Used more than half of those stickers. Didn't touch the clear stickers. Didn't touch those guys. For the sculpted stickers, I have one word left, which is bliss. And this is like reality scrapbooking. Like this is what I didn't even straighten up the kit so you could kind of see how I tore into it. So I have these thickers. Still a good amount left on them. Not like a huge, horrific amount that I still have to get through. But I am going to combine, because that is one thing I do, you guys. I like to combine my packaging. That way I can add more stuff, because packaging takes up a lot of space. A lot of space. So. Got that. This sticker book, I got through a lot of it. I knew I wasn't going to touch the butterflies. Got a lot of those florals out. You know, a couple words. And then this was the washi tape page, and I completely used that one up, so that was good. For this sticker book, we've got one page completely used, and then kind of 2 pages more than well, this one's about halfway used, that one's more than halfway used, and 1 page still with all of the stickers. So actually, look at this. I mean, look. We're just gonna put these down like this. And then we have 2 full done. So yeah, that makes me feel good. These Sweet Story bows. I had 6, I have 2 left, so that's not bad at all. I didn't really use a lot of these 2nd Avenue stickers, and that's okay. I just kind of threw them in there because they were something new in my stash. I used a good amount of the letter stickers. Still have a lot of numbers left, but a good amount of those, which makes me happy. For this sticker sheet, I would say a good amount of these stickers as well. The crafty ones, I knew I kept saying throughout the month I had to do some sort of crafty layout so I could use them. I just never did it. These didn't use a whole lot of these stickers. The Millie and June, is that Millie and June? No, Love and Lemon. This, almost an entire sheet I used. So that's exciting. So really excited about that. And then what do we have? Oh, it fell down at the bottom and I forgot about it. I wanted to use this. I had an idea with my Disney layout. This is good. This is going in my lovely leftovers. I have this sheet of glitter cardstock, this partial sheet, stencils that I had used. Obviously, we weren't going to use those guys up, so we'll just take those over. And then 1 full sheet of paper that I just didn't get to. This side, I will never use. It's just not something that I would scrapbook with, but this side is definitely something I would scrapbook with. I just didn't get to it. So this one is going back in the stash, you guys. This one isn't going into leftovers because it's really not a leftover. It's a full intact sheet of paper, but this stuff is leftovers. So now what I'm going to do is decide if this is going to go back into the stash or if this is going to go into my lovely leftovers. So this is large enough that this is going back in the stash. This probably wouldn't keep this size paper, but it's glitter and I love the glitter. This is going in the lovely leftovers. This is being scrapbooked with this week, so that's just going to go on my table. This X sticker is just getting trashed because I don't need it. But these will go in the lovely leftovers. This is going back in the stash because there is a lot of it. This is going to go in lovely leftovers. I'm going to do those crafty layouts and then be done with it. This is going to go back into the stash because there's a lot of vowels still, a lot of options. This is going to go back into the stash because, like I said, a lot left. This is going back into the stash just because I'm kind of over bows right now. This is going to go back into the stash because it's labels and I love labels. This is going to go into the lovely leftovers because there's not a lot left on here that I will actually use. There's a lot of butterflies that I'm just not going to use the butterflies. This is going back in the stash too because it's almost a full one side. This is going to go in lovely leftovers because I've got 1 left. This is going back in the stash because I never even used it. The same with this one. This one though, this one can go in lovely leftovers. This is going to go back in the stash. So is this, and so is this. The Stay Home at Craft will go in lovely leftovers. Perfect. Going to go in lovely leftovers. And then you know what? I might as well just keep those two little scraps to go in my lovely leftovers. But I don't want my lovely leftovers to just be purple. So I have some bits that are just kind of chilling out on my desk from other layouts that I made. And we're going to put those in as well. So I've got these. And I've got some greens here. I've got this. So these are going to just go in the lovely leftovers, which is going to be a little mini kit. It's not going to be my kit for the month of November. This is just going to be something mini for a little series that I'll be doing weekly called, if you haven't guessed, Lovely Leftovers. So there it is, you guys. That's what I killed and that's what I didn't kill. Let me know any thoughts, comments, things you want to talk about in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.